New video time, antique fans. New video time, thrift store fanatics. Collectors of obsolete junk. Today we will be presenting the Victor adding machine. Basically like a giant calculator. I mean, I think of it as like just like a calculator from the 60s, right? I don't really know too much about these. I've done some research, and yeah, it's like a calculator. Because at first I thought it was like a cash register or something. So really cool item. I love it because it's a piece of like computing history, kind of. We really need to get this thing going. See if it fucking works. But yeah, it has like a little paper that comes out there and gives you the answers. And I'm gonna lift the hood up on this baby and show you what it looks like inside in a minute. It's extremely heavy. There's the inside. Pretty neat, huh? I love the inside of this. Look. Shows ribbon installation instructions. It's a neat little thing. Well, it's not little. She's big. You need to like know how to work on this and actually take the whole thing apart. That would be cool. Still got the old paper. It's like an old cash register paper, I guess. I don't know. I wonder if it's got ink still in it. Anyway, I don't really have much to say about this thing. It's a giant ass calculator, basically. If you're like, if you're old enough to remember this and talk about it, please, by all means, comment. Actually, anyone that wants to say anything, please comment. I'm trying to get this channel some views, if at all possible. Anyway. Enjoy your summer day. I'll be hanging out with my Victor adding machine. I don't like calculators like that anymore, I can tell you that.